finding items in dictionaries. So here on, as we've done with the previous program, we've got a little telephone book dictionary, and working just like a telephone book, we've got names and telephone numbers running all the way through. How do we find the telephone number associated with one of those items, one of those values? Well, it's really, really easy. The way you would do it is you put the name of the dictionary followed by the name of the key. And if we print that now, here we go. Oops, just in there. So now, at this point here, it should go to the dictionary, find Bill, and find out what his key is, and then there it is. There's his, it printed it out on the screen there. So, what we can also do here is makes it a little bit more complicated. We could ask the user, name equals inputs, who, what, or whose telephone number do you need? There we go, nice easy program. Whose telephone number do you need? And then we can simply print out tell, square brackets, and then the name of the variable that you've just saved there. So hopefully now it should go to the ask the user what their telephone number they want, sorry, the name of the person, and then take that name and then find out the corresponding number. So whose telephone number you need? Let's put Jenny. There we go. Submit. There we go. And there you go. It's found Jenny. And now if we click forward, yeah, there you go. It's got Jenny's telephone number. Or you could, if you want to, you don't have to print it out. If you're going to use it as part of the program, say as a dialer or something, you could do number equals telephone number name, and it would simply save the, let's try that again, Jenny. It would ask for the person's name, go and find them in the dictionary, and then there it is. Create a new variable called number and saved that telephone number against that variable. So you can use it just like that. But what if they're not in the dictionary? Obviously, if you're asking the user to input someone's telephone number, sorry, if you're asking the user to input someone's name, they might get it wrong. So for instance here, if you just go back to the start again, it's forwards. Oops. Let's have a look. Let's just add a bit more here. Let's delete that. So, whose telephone number you need? Let's try Jeff. So let's have a look for Jeff in the dictionary. Runs the code, goes to find Jeff, forward, and there you go. It comes up with an error. So at this point, your program would crash. Because it'll come up with a key error because it can't find Jeff in the dictionary. So what can we do about that? Well, really, really easy. All we have to do is we can say, okay, if, and then name in tell, do all that stuff. In fact, we'll just print it out. We'll just print the person's name. Not print their name, print their number. So what we do here is we ask for the telephone number that we need, find out if it's in the dictionary. If it is, we print it out, and then otherwise, just print not found. Not found. There you go. So, whose telephone number you need? Let's put. Let's just try this twice. So we go Bob, submit, and it should now, if we go forwards, print not found. Oh yes, that's okay, because I was looking here, Bob isn't in the dictionary. Good, so there you go, Bob's not in the dictionary, so it's printed not found. Let's go back to the start. Let's just delete that again, and that. So Bob, I know, let's try someone who is in time. This time let's try Fred. Submit. There we go, and it has found Fred's telephone number there. Good stuff. So, and that name in telephone bit, or whatever it is, that'll be the key. Whatever you look, this key you're searching for in, and that's the name of the dictionary. That's a really, really powerful, quick and powerful way of finding out if someone's in a dictionary, and then if they are, then you can do something conditional on that. There you go. Thank you very much.